those who choose the path less traveled demand gear that can keep up, no matter what the conditions. That's why we created the HD Aero, the most versatile inflatable paddleboard on the market. Capable of tackling the toughest waterways, the HD Aero is virtually indestructible due to its tough-as-nails construction. The HD Aero packs a robust feature set never before seen on an inflatable boat. Outfitted with front and rear bungees, cooler tie-downs, and rack-compatible mounting points, the HD Aero will get you and your gear where you want to be. Heat-sealed, multi-textured deck pads keep your feet comfortably in place while preventing added weight due to water absorption. Multiple grab handles and travel link latch points make the HD Aero easy to grab from any angle. The paddle sheath is a convenient place to quickly stow your paddle to free up your hands for other activities. With multiple configurations to choose from, fishermen and adventurers prefer models with MOLLE latch points and a mountable stakeout hole, while yogis and dog lovers prefer models with a full-length deck pad and paddle strap. Fully inflated, HD Aero stands at 11 feet 6 inches and sports a hefty capacity with superior stability and will accommodate a full range of paddlers, gear, and skill levels. At the end of the day, HD Aero can be deflated and stowed in tight spaces or even checked as baggage on your next flight. The HD Aero comes with everything you need to get your adventure on. Uncompromised design brings together the best features BOTE has to offer into a virtually indestructible, portable watercraft of no equal.
This is the 10.6 all-around inflatable stand-up paddleboard that comes in 2 different colorways, blue and aqua. Now this is your go anywhere, do anything inflatable stand-up that's a perfect choice for flat water paddling and small wave surf. What's really cool about these inflatables is that they go from this size inflated to this size deflated and rolled up. All our single board inflatables, they come standard with a 3-piece adjustable paddle. This is a carbon shaft and a nylon blade. It's perfect for accommodating different size paddlers, and you can easily break it down for storage or travel. The 10-foot coil leash will make sure you're always safe, close, and attached to your board. Next is the high performance hand pump for fast and easy inflation. We also have our screwless snap-in fin for easy and quick installation. Now, you'll be able to fit all these items in a convenient carry backpack, which is perfect for storing your board when it's not in use. No need to worry about dings or scratches. These inflatables are constructed with a military-grade outer skin, so they're forgiving when bounced off any hard surface. The 3-fin setup allows for great tracking in flat water as well as small waves. The board's front-mounted bungee system allows for simple, quick gear attachment and super close to your fingertips. For convenient transportation, we've added a neoprene center comfort grip, as well as a front nose handle for easy accessibility. The 10.6 all-around inflatable SUP has the stability of a hardboard, but small enough to easily store and transport, making it a great all-around.
Hey guys, this is Dave with iRocker. We're gonna take a look at the iRocker Cruiser. This board is 10 foot 6 inches long by 33 inches wide. This board is built for maximum stability. It carries the 33-inch width throughout the majority of the board and is built with an extra wide tail. So this board is going to be for anyone that wants to go out in any water condition and feel very comfortable and stable. It comes in 5 colors. It comes in blue, aqua, orange, green, and black. Because of the extra width and the extra wide tail, this board is going to feel a little bit more stable than the all-around. Let's take a look at some of the features on the board. At the nose of the board, we have our action mount. This is used for the fishing rod holder, our speaker, or an action camera. We also have the extra wide cargo area built with safety handles on each end, which are great for when kids want to ride on the front of the board. The deck pad is a crocodile texture pad with color-coded beveled edge stripes running from the front of the pad all the way to the rear of the pad. In the center of the board, you have a neoprene covered carry handle. On each side of the deck pad, we have 4 D-rings for the optional kayak seat, shoulder strap, or to tie down extra gear. At the rear of the board, we have the high pressure inflation valve, the ankle strap D-ring, as well as an added carry handle that makes it easy for grabbing the board out of the water. Now let's take a quick look at the bottom of the board. At the nose, we have a D-ring that's great for towing or anchoring. At the rear of the board, we have our tri-fin setup. New for 2019 are all 3 fins are now removable with the flip lock center fins. What you're going to get with any iRocker paddleboard package is going to be your board, a backpack carry bag, a fiberglass shaft paddle, your fins, ankle leash, the new full throttle dual chamber triple action hand pump, and repair kit.
The Peak 10.6 all-around inflatable stand-up paddleboard brings the ultimate beginner paddleboard package to you. The board is 10.5 feet long, 6 inches thick, and 31 inches wide. It weighs only 23 pounds and when inflated, supports up to 300 pounds. If you drop or bump this sup, it won't ding or scratch because this board is built from the highest quality military grade PVC and drop stitch material. The soft EVA deck pad serves as the perfect exercise mat and makes it family and pet friendly. The bungee system keeps your water bottle and gear out of your way during practice, but close enough to your fingertips. This board comes with 2 handles, one at the center of your board, and the second is a nose grab handle for easy transportation to and from the water. When deflated, this board rolls up to a compact size with a cinch strap and fits neatly just about anywhere. The Peak all-around paddleboard package comes with everything you need to get out and on the water, including an adjustable 3-piece alloy paddle and nylon blade, a 10-foot coil ankle leash, a high-pressure dual-action hand pump, a toolless snap-in center fin, a bonus waterproof smartphone case, and everything fits neatly inside this travel backpack.
Enjoy the open water with a premium stand-up paddleboard from SereneLife and experience adventures like never before. Every SereneLife paddleboard comes with all of the paddling essentials, contained in a convenient storage bag. This includes a coiled ankle cuff safety leech, a 9-inch detachable board fin, and a manual air pump. Getting on the water is a breeze. Simply plug the pump into the air valve and start inflating. Once the pressure gauge on the pump reaches the green zone, you can easily detach the pump without any air escaping while you replace the cap. Attach the safety leash and the fin, and you're ready to go. The paddle easily assembles and can be extended to fit just about anyone's height. The inflatable design and wide, non-slip top deck provide improved stability and balance for kids and adults, making it easy to glide across the surface with ease. More importantly, the PVC body makes it stable while standing, but gentle enough that if you fall while learning, you won't hit a hard board on your way down. And if you ever get snagged on something tough, repairs are easy with the included kit. If you love the open water, there's nothing quite like enjoying it atop your very own paddleboard. And thanks to its portable design, you truly have the freedom to go where you please, get some fun exercise, and soak in the beauty of the nature all around you. When the day finally comes to an end, it doesn't take long to open the air valve, roll up your board, and hit the road.